Hey you guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a hair tutorial. Yay! And I'm going to be using the Revlon One Step Voluminizer Dryer. Let me just say that this dryer is the bomb. If you guys want to hear my final thoughts about how I adore this lovely product, then just stay to the very end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell down below so you can get updates for all my future upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing, of course, you're going to want to do is brush your hair. Just brush your hair. I did spray in some leave-in conditioner. So it does have 3 settings, which is cool, low, and high. So I will say that if you use the cool or the high, it sounds really loud. It sounds like a hair dryer, like an old hair dryer. But since my hair is very thin and very fine, I just go with the low setting. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on so you guys can kind of hear it. So that's the low. And this is cool. Low. And high. So I use the low setting because it works perfectly for my hair. So I kind of split my hair from the back right there. Then I just go ahead and grab a little hair clip there, brush the hair. Gonna go in with the low setting. Low, I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. Okay, so now that I'm getting closer to the front, I just wanted to show you guys that this is how I part my hair, and then what I'm going to do is kind of cut in the middle. I mean, you guys can see it, but just parting that front piece of hair. So I have two sections, and then just brush really quick. Alright, so it didn't take me very long to do. I just go in my brush and then just naturally split it. And voila. Look how nice it left my hair. It literally left it really nice. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I watched other tutorials of people talking about that it left them really sweaty. Honestly, my personal opinion is if you use it on a low setting, then I don't think you'll be sweating that much. Honestly, I'm not even sweating right now. I'm not breaking a sweat. But also, I think you use a high setting if you have thicker hair. But like I said, my hair is very thin and fine, so the low setting actually works best for me. So if you guys like this tutorial, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.